Hello everyone. We are here to unravel how global thermal coal trade dynamics have played out this year and its near-term outlook. In the latter half of 2020, China put an informal ban on Australian coal imports, and against all expectations, within a year, global trade dynamics have completely altered and thermal coal prices have shot up by more than 100% since January 2021. Indonesia has replaced Australia as a key supplier of thermal coal to China, followed by Russia. Interestingly, China has also resumed importing thermal coal from South Africa after a hiatus of 5 years. However, coal imports from these countries are not sufficient to compensate for the absence of Australian coal, thereby pushing up coal prices from various origins. Moreover, with a majority of Indonesian coal being diverted to China, other Asian countries like Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan started sourcing thermal coal from Australia. This led to a surge in Australian thermal coal prices, especially since June 2021. In India, amid escalated imported coal prices, key buyers from power, cement, and iron and steel sector either completely shifted to domestic coal or opted for increased blending of domestic coal with the imported coal. This situation was somewhat manageable until the Indian power plants were faced with a severe coal shortage. As is the norm, the power sector gets prioritized and the non-power sector has had no option but to opt for the costlier imported thermal coal. In fact, Indian buyers were heard to be booking for cargoes of Australian and South African origin coal from China, which are available at a comparatively cheaper rates than the fresh cargoes. Any correction in the global thermal coal prices seems unlikely in the near term. This is because, as winter is about to start from October, coal procurement from the Asian countries would go up once again. With gas and crude oil prices already trending at elevated levels, power utilities from these countries would have no option but to opt for coal. Secondly, despite Chinese government's efforts to boost domestic coal production, coal shortage is persistent amid increased safety inspections. This would make them to continue to procure imported coal, supporting its prices. Countries like Sri Lanka, Australia, and Vietnam that are currently facing COVID restrictions are expected to slowly open up their economies in the Q4, leading to increased industrial activities and subsequent increase in demand and prices for thermal coal. Thanks for watching. For more updates on coal and coke markets, stay tuned to Coalmin Vlogs.